PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday the 13th. Wet weather is the story for the short term, but the weekend not completely wet. Don't forget, Storm Alert 2009 rolls along. We've had wonderful stops in Utah, Trussville, last night in Jasper. Next week, we're coming to Oxford, the Civic Center in Calhoun County, 7 o'clock sharp. Be there. That'll be a lot of fun. We always have a big crowd over in Anniston, Oxford. When we go there, we look forward to that. We'll take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network. There's a look at downtown Birmingham. The sky is cloudy. Pretty much the same look there from Gadsden. Looks like maybe some virga showing up. A little rain evaporating before reaching the ground. And from Tuscaloosa, a cloudy sky on this Friday afternoon. Water vapor satellite imagery, very fast flow across the southern U.S. And as we have mentioned in recent days, that will make it rather challenging to time out the individual waves affecting the Deep South. But we think we've got a reasonable grasp on it. Temperatures this afternoon, not bad. Readings are in the mid-60s for the most part. Birmingham at 64. Got 68 down to the south for Alexander City and Montgomery. And here comes the rain. You can see the echoes over Gadsden. And again, I'm not so sure that is reaching the ground, that stuff over northeast Alabama. But you bet it is reaching the ground down to the southwest. Places like York, Livingston, Demopolis, Linden getting wet. There's the regional radar composite. You can see that big rain mass back into Mississippi and Louisiana. And no doubt the heaviest rain will be over the southern half of the state. Looks like rainfall totals up here tonight will be pretty light. Still just a low-end minor risk of severe weather way down south. No formal risk. It's coming off the SPC Day 1 outlook. Don't expect any severe weather problems here. Rain for the next 5 days. Heaviest on the Gulf Coast. New Orleans, Mobile, Pensacola, Panama City. Around here, it's suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/2 inch, and this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Here's a look at the GFS at noon tomorrow. There's that fast flow across the Deep South. Down below that, we think the rain over the north will be ending early in the morning. The rain will continue over South Alabama during the day, but not so sure we see a lot of sunshine here, maybe a few peaks of sun, but we think the main window for rain for the northern half of the state will be from about 8 o'clock tonight until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Sunday, the northern half will be dry. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden. Again, I'm not so sure the sun will be out that much, maybe a bit, a mix of sun and clouds. Rain continues, though, down to the south, raining in Dothan and Tallahassee, places like that. Monday will be dry and cooler. Looks like a sunny day with a high in the 50s. And then Tuesday, here comes that next impulse. Wednesday, really the core of it passes north, and so no real severe weather look, I don't think, with that. Pretty deep surface low near Indianapolis, but again, the dynamic's not that strong, but that suggests a pretty good chance of showers and maybe a storm or two late Tuesday night and Wednesday of next week. And then Thursday, that's gone, and hey, we start to turn colder. Look at the cold air advection, and Friday looks pretty chilly as the thickness values drop. So we might see highs in the 40s Thursday and Friday of next week as we kind of get back to wintertime. 5 days later, on the 25th, interesting-looking feature rotating through here. Hey, a little snow for Nashville and Knoxville, maybe. Cold rain around here, if that's right. And then on March the 1st, big trough out west, so instead of the big ridge pumping up toward the Aleutians and tapping the cold air, that suggests no really cold air here at least. But again, we're seeing a lot of inconsistencies in each run, and we'll just have to wait and see on that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here, my video, will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters will have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.